Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on XIAOMI Redmi 13R. And let's start with the first one will be on how to count calories in your food. You can ask, "Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?" Then next one will be on how to call anyone from your contact list. "Hey Google, call my mom." And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Then next one will be kind of similar, how to send messages, and you can also say what should be included in the message. "Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger." Okay, next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you can't identify where it is. "Hey Google, where are you?" Now with that phrase your phone will start making sound and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on how to translate. You can translate any other language that is available for Google Translator, and that way also your phone will speak out loudly this translation. "Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger." And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.